as Perplexity just sent me an email saying Perplexity Computer is now available on my Pro plan. And if you read that headline and thought you just got something for free, I need to show you what is actually going on here. Because the headline and the reality are two different things, and the difference matters, especially if you are a Pro subscriber trying to figure out whether you need to upgrade to Max or not. Here is what I want you to take away from this video. What the email actually says versus what it means practically. What 2,000 credits gets you and how fast they disappear. And what I am testing next, because I am running this on both Pro and Max and showing you the real difference. Let's get into it. Quick bit of context. A few days ago, I published a breakdown of Perplexity Computer, what it is, what Perplexity is claiming about it, and what I was planning to test. At that point, Computer was Max only, $200 a month. That was the only way in. Then an hour ago, this email landed. And I want to be the person who actually reads what this means rather than just reposting the announcement. So the email says, your Pro plan now unlocks access to Perplexity Computer. That sounds like Pro subscribers just got a meaningful new feature included in their $20 a month. Here is what it actually means. Pro users can access Computer, but it is not bundled into the $20 a month plan the way it is for Max subscribers. You are paying $20 a month plus additional credits on top for every task you run. Max subscribers get 10,000 credits included with their $200 a month subscription. Pro subscribers get access and then pay per use on top. That is not the same thing. And Perplexity knows the difference between those two sentences. Now, here is where it gets genuinely interesting, because I logged into Perplexity Computer on my Pro account right after that email came in. And I want to show you exactly what I found. This is what the Pro interface looks like. Tasks, files, connectors, skills, gallery. This is not a chatbot. It is a project management interface for an AI system that can run tasks in the background for hours or months. And up here in the top right, you can see my credit balance, 2,000 credits. That is what Perplexity gave me as a Pro subscriber to get started. Now, 2,000 credits sounds like a reasonable starting point until you look at what someone in the comments of my last video reported from their own usage. Someone left this comment on my previous Perplexity Computer video. Real numbers from a real Max user who had just started testing it. In one day, their words, not going crazy, roughly 8 hours of moderate use, they burned 5,800 credits. 5,800 credits in one day. I have 2,000. To put that in perspective, if I use Computer the way a normal user would on a real project, my entire starting credit balance could be gone in a few hours. And then I am buying more credits on top of my existing Pro subscription. That is the practical reality the email headline does not mention. So here is the comparison in plain numbers. Pro plan, $20 a month, 2,000 starter credits, pay per use after that. Computer is accessible but not practical for heavy ongoing use without buying additional credits. Max plan $200 a month, 10,000 credits included every month. Computer is genuinely part of what you are paying for. For someone running light, occasional tasks, Pro with purchased credits might work. For anyone wanting to use Computer as a real part of their workflow, the numbers point to Max being the only tier where it makes sense long term, which is exactly what my research had already suggested before this email landed. And here is the part I want to be really direct about, because I think this matters. Perplexity rolling Computer out to Pro is a good thing. More access is better than less access, but the framing of the announcement, your Pro plan now unlocks access, is doing a lot of work to make something feel more generous than it is. Unlocking access and including meaningful credit allocation are genuinely different things. And if you are a pro subscriber who upgraded expecting to use computer as a serious part of your workflow, you are going to hit that 2,000 credit ceiling quickly and face a decision about whether to keep spending. I am not saying this to criticize Perplexity. I am saying it because this channel exists to tell you the thing the announcement email does not. So here is what I am doing. And I want to be specific about this because I think the comparison is genuinely valuable. I'm going to test Perplexity Computer on Pro first, real tasks, real projects. I'm going to track exactly how fast those 2,000 credits disappear and what the output quality looks like. Then I am upgrading to Max, same tasks, same methodology, and I'm going to show you the actual difference in output quality, in credit consumption, and in whether the 180 monthly price gap between the two plans is justified. 3 specific things I am testing across both tiers. First, can it run a real multi-step project end-to-end without me having to intervene? Second, does the persistent memory actually work across sessions the way they claim? Third, what does it actually cost in real money to run meaningful work through it at each tier? Those results are coming, and they will be based on real usage, real numbers, and real outputs, not the curated demos from the announcement. So, what does today's announcement actually mean for you as a pro subscriber? If you want to experiment with Perplexity Computer, try a few tasks, and get a feel for what it can do, your pro plan now lets you do that. 2,000 starter credits is enough to run a handful of real tasks and form an informed opinion. If you want to use computer as a genuine part of your workflow on an ongoing basis, the math currently points to Max being the practical tier. 2,000 credits is a starting point, not a sustainable allocation for regular use. And if you are on the fence about whether to upgrade, wait. Watch the follow-up video first, because I am going to show you exactly what each tier delivers before you spend $200 a month on something you have not seen tested, honestly. The full test is coming. Pro and Max, real tasks, real costs, real verdict. Subscribe so you do not miss it. And if you are already on Pro and you have tried computer with your starter credits, drop a comment below. Tell me what task you ran and how many credits it cost you. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay blessed.